Hi, class one. It is time for your reading lesson today. Let's start off by reviewing our sounds. Try to say them with me, okay? All right, let's try to do them fast. Ready? Let's go. Mm, eh, qua, sh, mm, z, ah, ah. Oh, two sounds. V, b, g. Good work. That was fast. All right. Now we are going to do something called a dictation, okay? So I'm going to need you to have your mom or dad, or you can do it. I'm going to need you to get out your copy and you're going to write dictation at the top. And then I want you to write dictation at the top, then write numbers 1 through 10. Okay? And you're going to write little blanks. On each blank, we're going to be writing the sound in a word. So they don't need to be big blanks, just little blanks, because you're only going to be writing 1 or 2 letters on each blank. Okay? And I've sent you pictures of this. So number 1 should have 3 blanks, number 2, 3 blanks, and all the way to number 10. Okay? So just fill in those blanks as I have sent them in the picture. Okay. Or just go ahead and write those blanks. All right. So if you have that completely done, so pause this and get that done in your copy. Okay. So if you've got that all done, we're ready to do our dictation. So we're going to do some of this together and some of it you will have to do on your own. Okay. So I'm going to say a word. We're going to say the sounds in the word, and then we're going to write the sounds on these blanks. Okay, so it's going to go like this. So number 1, the word is job. Let's say the sounds in job. J, ob. 3 sounds, which is good because we have 3 blanks. So let's write job. Ready? J, ob. And read to check. Job. Job. Good. Now, number 2 is going to be homework. I want you to do this on your own. So I'm going to say it and you're going to write it, okay? The word is win. Win. So you can pause it and say each sound and write them and then start again, okay? So the word is win. Okay. On to number 3. Number 3 is pest. Pest. Let's say the sounds. S. Okay, 4 sounds in pest. Let's go ahead and write pest. S. And read to check. Est. Pest. Good. Now, number 4 is going to be another homework, okay? So number 4 you're going to do as homework. Number 4 is plum. Plum. Go ahead and write plum there. Okay. All right. So if you're done with number 4, we're going to move on. Sorry, I'm moving everything up here. There we go. We're going to go on to number 5. Okay. Number 5, we're going to do together. Number 5 is trips. Trips. Okay. So let's say the sounds in trips. R, ip. 5 sounds in trips. Let's go ahead and write it. T, r, I, And read to check. Prips. Prips. Good. All right. So that's number 5. Number 6 is also going to be homework. Number 6 is grubs. Grubs. All right. So say the sounds and then write one sound on each line. Okay. So number 6 is grubs. All right. Moving on to number 7. Number 7 is kings. Let's say the sounds in kings. Ings. Okay, we've got 4 sounds. So let's go ahead and write those 4 sounds. K. It's a cake. I. Now here's a tricky part. We have the sound ng. How do we spell that? How do we spell ng? We spell it ng, don't we? So here we're going to write 2 letters because it's one sound. So we're going to write ng. So you have k, ings, and that's an S. Kings. Okay. So if you hear one of those digraphs where we have 2 letters making one sound, you're going to write both of the letters on one line because they're making only one sound. Okay. All right. So that was kings. Okay. All right. Number 8 is going to be homework. So you're going to do this one on your own. Number 8, the word is chin. Chin. So say the sounds and write each sound, one sound on each line. Now this one does have a digraph. So on one of these lines, you're going to be writing 2 letters, okay? All right, let's go ahead and move down to 9 and 10. All right, so number 9, the word is shrimp. Shrimp. Let's say the sounds in shrimp. Sh, r, im. Okay, let's go ahead and write shrimp. Shh. How do we write that? SH, isn't it? Sh. R, I, m. Read to check. Shrimp. Shrimp. That was a hard one. Number 10 is going to be your homework. Number 10 is gongs. Gongs. And this one does have another digraph. So on one of these lines, you're going to be writing 2 letters for one sound. Okay, so that was gongs. Okay. All right. Now we're going to read a story together, okay? So let's go ahead and get our story out here. So the title of our story today is Tasks. Tasks. Tasks are jobs, all right? And they're usually like little jobs. Like you might get a task, like your mom says, can you go take this bottle to your grandma? That would be a small task that you would have to do, okay? Take this bottle to your grandma. That would be a task. Okay. So today, Sam is going to have some tasks that he has to do. He'll have some jobs to do. So here's one word that will be in our story. This is trim. Trim means to cut just a little bit. Like if you trim your hair, you cut just a little bit at the bottom. You don't cut it all off. You just get a trim. So it's just a little bit of a cut, just cutting a little bit. This is the word shrub. Shrub. And a shrub is a bush, like this. This would be a shrub. This word here is scrub. Scrub. Scrub means to really scrub like this. So like pretend this is a dish, like a plate, and I'm going to scrub it. Scrub, 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 scrub. Do you guys scrub your dishes at home? I hope you do. I hope you help your mother and father and scrub some dishes. All right. And this last word here is flops. Flops. If somebody flops, it means they just kind of fall over. I flopped. I flop. Okay. Or if you're floppy, it means you're like flop. Okay, that's flops. All right. So let's go ahead and get out our story here. Asks. There we go. All right. So try to read with me as much as you can. Oh, let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. All right. So try to read with me as much as you can. But I'm going to be sending this to you so that you can practice it on your own, although you don't need to read it for homework tonight because we will read it again tomorrow. Okay. So or not tomorrow, but the next time. So just try to read it with me as much as you can today. Okay. So this is tasks. Sam has a long list of tasks. Let's go ahead and look at the picture. Oh, so here's his list. You see his list there? That's his list of tasks. It's long. Sam must scrub a bunch of cups. Sam must help his dad trim shrubs. Sam must mop the steps. Okay, so how many tasks does he have? So the first one, he must scrub the cups, help his dad trim the shrubs, and mop the steps. These are things he must do. These are his jobs, his tasks. So he has 3 of them. Okay. Oh, I see the mop back there. Ooh, look at these dishes. I think those are the cups that he has to scrub. Let's see if he does his tasks. Sam scrubs all of the cups. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Ooh, look at him scrubbing. Good job, Sam. Sam helps his dad trim shrubs. Snip, snip, snip. The sun is hot. Sam gets hot. Okay, so what is his second task? To help trim the shrubs. Let's see here. Okay, so here he is trimming the shrubs. And what happens? How is Sam feeling now? He's feeling hot because he's working hard out in the sun. He's feeling hot. Sam spots or sees, Sam spots a fan on the rug. Sam flops on the rug and naps. Oh no, he's napping. He's sleeping. Is he done with his jobs? He's not done yet. Let's go ahead and look at the picture. Oh, there he's sleeping. Look, here's the fan. He naps on the rug. Uh-oh. Let's see what happens. Then his mom spots him. So here's his mom. She spots him. Sam's mom taps him with the mop. Tap, tap, tap. Sam jumps up. Sam picks up the mop. So here he is sleeping. His mom takes the mop and goes tap, tap, tap. Probably saying, "You're not done with your jobs. Why are you sleeping?" Does your mom ever do that to you? Say, "What? What are you doing? You still have more work to do. You can't sleep yet. Your homework's not done." All right. So what does Sam do when she taps him? Sam jumps up and Sam picks up the mop. So then he probably goes and mops the floor. Let's go ahead and read this one more time. just so that we really understand it, okay? All right, tasks. Sam has a long list of tasks. Sam must scrub a bunch of cups. Sam must help his dad trim shrubs. Sam must mop the steps. So 3 tasks. Sam scrubs all of the cups. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Sam helps his dad trim shrubs. Snip, snip, snip. The sun is hot. Sam gets hot. Oh, he's hot. He's probably tired too from all of the work. Sam spots a fan on the rug. Sam flops on the rug and naps. Then his mom spots him. Sam's mom taps him with the mop. Sam jumps up. Sam picks up the mop. So there he is sleeping, and his mom comes and wakes him up. All right, that is all for today. So remember, your homework today is to send me your dictation, okay? So get all of that done, all of the words that I left for you to do as homework, and do all of the other ones also, and send this to me, okay? So your dictation is your homework for tonight, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.